Howdy, howdy.
Well, this is our little makeshift house. It's quite out of square. If you see the floor, look how unsquare it is. They threw this up after the other one they had burned. There was one here that burned. Benny, what are you doing? Stop whining. Yeah, it's just well, that's the house. It is quite unsquare. Looks to me that the whole building is not built squarely. Oh, I don't think so, but I mean, it works for a little shelter. Huh. I wonder how they got it so off square. Yes, we bought this. We bought this piece.